One of the biggest dilemmas in the history of the kitchen. If you reach for the faucet to turn it on with your dirty hand, you're going to end up with a dirty hand when you turn it off after washing. So why bother washing hands at all? Introducing Auto Water Pro, a smart, touchless device that operates the faucet hands-free. With simple swiping hand gestures, you may turn the faucet on or off and control the flow of water. Hands-free eliminates the possibility of contamination, meaning Auto Water Pro can ensure a truly healthy, germ-free hand-washing experience. But that's not all. The activated carbon fiber composite filter purifies 100% of the contaminants at a molecular level, ensuring the purity and potability of every single drop of water. It offers the highest level of chlorine absorption while making zero compromise in water flow. Auto Water Pro comes in two different setups, one for the kitchen and one for the bathroom. With 6 different connectors available and a simple clicking installation, Auto Water Pro works with just about any faucet in the world.
After a meal, there are always dishes to do. Make life a little easier with the Rack and Roller by Assorted. This over-the-sink dish drying rack is a must for anyone who spends time in the kitchen and is serious about quality. Unroll it over your sink, and you instantly have a multifunctional mat that extends your available space and protects your countertops. Support heavy objects like pots, pans, or even hot casserole dishes with ease. Place dishes and glasses on it to air dry. Rinse off fresh fruit and vegetables. Water and juices drain directly into the sink and not on your countertop. It doesn't take up valuable space and quickly rolls up for fast and easy storage. Constructed with premium-grade stainless steel and sleek black silicone, it's built to last. See what you've been missing and pick up the versatile Rack and Roller by Assorted today.
Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.